why you should mint NFTs directly from contract. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you why you should mint directly from contracts, what benefit it provides. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to etherscan.io. Now this is the main website of this video. So over here we're basically going to be creating contracts. Now before I do that, let me just tell you a little bit about let me just tell you why you should why it's more beneficial to mint NFTs from contract. So back in 2021, I think in June, this was a NFT project that was really popular. Now this is their website. Like at that time the Vogu project was about to release and it was really popular and people were really looking forward to it. And just as soon as it released, like over here, this is their Twitter, and just when it released, the mint option that was available on their website didn't work, and no matter how many times you clicked on it, it just didn't work at all. So people started chatting in the Discord group chat, and the developers said that there was some kind of a problem with the website and that's why you can't mint anything. So they had to freeze the transactions. Now what happened in those 2 minutes changed everything, because a few of the people that had bought the Vogu collection of NFTs from direct Etherscan, they were actually successful in buying them. Like in those 2 minutes, like in 2 minutes, I think at around 1700 Vogu collections were sold, which is pretty crazy. Like, because things like these happen all the time when making new NFT projects. Like sometimes the website shut down, or sometimes it's like the developers or the creators were scammers or stuff like that. So a direct contract with the developers is really beneficial. So now you know why you should like create a direct contract on Etherscan to buy NFTs or to mint NFTs. So the next question that is raised is, how do you basically do that? Now let's just take the Vogu collection again. Let's just assume that this is the NFT that you want. So what you want to do is just simply click on this one, and over here what you want to do is find the contract address. Now you can find the contract address over here at the top. So as you can see right next to assets, you can just simply copy this group of letters and numbers, like just simply copy them and go back to Etherscan and just simply search for these numbers, paste them and search for them, and the contract will open. This is the contract for that NFT. Now that is the one way to do that. This easy way is just to simply come down over to the details section, click on detail, and over here you'll see the contract address. And once you click on it, it'll take you right to the contract page. Now over here, as you can see, 2 are pending, which means that a gas war is happening as of right now. You don't have to worry about that because that's not why we're here. We're just here to tell you how you can make a contract. So this is how it will look like. So over here you have the balance, you have the ether value, and then you have the token value down below, and this is the wallet, I think. Yeah, and then we can also search for the token name as well. Now this is the Vagu, this is the public name tag, and down on over here your name tag will be available over here, and this will be your contact creator and the token tracker as well. So over here you have transactions, internal taxons, you have Irokos, and then you have contract. Now this is the main part that I want you guys to focus on. So when you click on contracts, down below you will have 3 options. You will have code, you will have read contract, and then you will have write contract. Now if you are a tech savvy person and you know what these code means, then you can go ahead and read them, but I don't know what they mean, so I'm not gonna go ahead and try to attempt to read them. So what you basically want to do is just come over to read contract. Now you can, over here you will have 22 types of contracts. You can read them as you want, but the main part is the third option, which is called write contract. Now over here what you want to do is just simply connect your MetaMask wallet or other cryptocurrency wallet that you use. Simply click on connect to W3, and then over here simply click on next and connect. So as you can see, it's connecting and it's connected. Now what I want you guys to do is just simply come down over to number 3 option where it says mint Vogu. Now some contracts will simply say mint, some will say mint Vogu or the name of that NFT or something like that, but but focus on the word mint. So if we click on mint Vogu, over here we will have two options. So over here we have the payable amount and we have the number of tokens. So these are the two options, and over here we want to be careful and we don't want to mess things up because this is a very delicate part of the contract and we have to be precise about it. So go back to the collection, and over here as you can see it's worth 0.4 ether. So let's just copy that value, which is worth around $1,400. So let's just copy this value, and let's just assume that you want to buy like 6 of them. So we'll just simply paste it and multiply it by 5. And once we do that, as you can see, the total value of it will be 2, which means the 2 ethers. So what I want you guys to do is just simply enter in the payable amount, enter in 2, write in 2, because that is going to be the total amount for 5 NFT Vogu tokens. So let's just, and over here just simply enter in 5, and then what you want to do is just simply click on write, and over here just simply click on 5 and then just simply click. I don't understand what's happening. Okay, 0.4. I don't understand. I think I have to add in the number token as well. So this is the number. So let's just go ahead and enter in this one. And I think it should be good to go now. I don't understand why this is happening. I think it's because it's backed up right now. A lot of people are buying it and the transactions are in, I think, pending. So I think that's because we cannot buy it right now, because there's a gas war going on as well. I think that could be the issue as well, but I think you get the general idea. So over here as you can see, we don't have we have insufficient balance, so we can't buy it right now. I think that's why it's giving me this reading error, because we have insufficient balance, so we have to let it go. But you get the general idea. You just enter in the values, just simply click on write, and it'll tell you to, like, confirm the transaction, and then you will be able to buy it from the direct contract. And as soon as it launches, and you will have your NFTs and you won't have to worry about being left out. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.